This is Karl-James Langford reporting at Skara Brae, Orkney, looking out at the sea today, but then it was near a freshwater lake. This is a house, a very large room. The dresser in front of us. As you pan through, little niche again over in front. Little doorways, yes, doorways. People would have lived in here 5,000 years ago. Site was uncovered in a number of storms in the past, but finally in 1850 in a violent storm, revealing the rooms, hearth in front, grinding stones as well, storage tank for lobsters and other fish, another grinding bowl. Look at that dresser in front of you. Almost a Welsh dresser that you would see at home today. Little niche alongside the dresser, placed in by the excavator Gordon Child in the 1920s, 30s, for his daughter to look out as she used the house as a Wendy house. Hearth in front of us now, another cot there for a bed. We pan out and we look at many of the rooms, grassed over today, but you can peer inside them. Few steps for reconstruction for access, but now we look back into this Neolithic world 5,000 years ago, into another house for a family of 15 people, all leaving this doorway along the street, a very tight little street, but you look in and you look at the humps and bumps of this village. Enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this journey.